बाइनोमियल थे। तो सबसे पहले देखते हैं व्हाट इज बाइनोमियल एक्सप्रेशन। सो बाइनोमियल एक्सप्रेशन नथिंग बट इफ वी हैव टू डिफरेंट टर्म्स और उनके बीच में यदि पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव साइन है तो उस एक्सप्रेशन को बोलते हैं बाइनोमियल एक्सप्रेशन। फॉर एग्जांपल x plus x square, यहाँ पे x and x square both are different term, one is what x, other is x square. So इन दोनों के बीच में यदि पॉजिटिव साइन है और नेगेटिव साइन है then this expression is called binomial expression. Other example will take like x plus 1 by x, this also called binomial expression. Or we can take x power 3 minus 1 by x power 2 by 3, this is also called binomial expression. Or we can take 2 plus I term, this is also called binomial expression because 2 is what real part and I is what imaginary part, so this is also called binomial expression. So these all terms are called binomial expression. So an expression which consists two dissimilar terms with positive or negative sign between them is called binomial expression. अब हम start करते हैं binomial theorem for positive integer index. So if I take binomial expression, that is x plus 1, the whole power, if you do positive integer, that is n, so where n belongs to positive integer, then this expansion is called binomial expansion. So what will come is nc naught, x power will come n, y power will come 0. So in first term, we'll get first term power is what n, second term power is 0. Now second term is what nc1, first term power will decrease, second term power will increase. So x power will come x power n minus 1, y term will come y power 1. Now third term is what nc2, x power n minus 2, y power 2, plus so on. Last term is what ncn, first term power will come 0, so what will come x power n minus n, and second term power will come n, so y power will come n. So this is called binomial expansion, correct? Now if you see first term what we are getting, t1 equal to nc naught x power n y power 0. So if it is 1, we are getting nc naught x power n y power 0. If it is t2, what we are getting, nc1 x power n minus 1 y power 1. If you see t3, so if you see t3, we are getting nc2 x power n minus 2 y power 2. So if I take t r plus 1, so if it is 3, we are getting 2. If it is 2, we are getting 1. So if it is r plus 1, so what will come? NCR. And x power what will come? N minus 2. So here what will come? X power n minus r. And y power what will come? If it is 2, here also 2. If it is r, y power what will come? R. So this is called general term of binomial expansion, x plus y to the whole power n. यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं nc0, nc1, nc2 and so on ncn. So nc0, nc1, nc2, nc3 and so on ncn. This is called binomial coefficient. So this is called binomial coefficient. Next thing is what? Total term. So if you see y power, so starting is what? Y power 0, then y power 1, then y power 2, and last is what? Y power n. So starting power is what? 0 and ending power is what? n. So 0 to n, how many terms will be there? That is n plus 1. So total term is what? N plus 1. So in the expansion of x plus y power n, how many terms will we get? N plus 1 term. Now we'll do proof of binomial expansion. If we see this expansion 1 plus x power n, first term is what? 1, second term is what? X. इसका expansion क्या होगा? nc0 plus nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square plus nc3 into x cube plus so on. Last term is what? ncn into x power n. So this is expansion of 1 plus x power n. Now we'll do proof. Okay. तो इसके लिए हम assume करते हैं that 1 plus x power n, the expansion of 1 plus x power n is nothing but what? E naught plus e1x plus e2x square plus e3x cube plus so on लास्ट टर्म वी आर टेकिंग एज en x पावर n. इसे हम अज्यूम कर रहे हैं इक्वेशन 1. अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं, x की जगह y पुट कर रहे हैं, तो व्हाट विल कम 1 plus y power n. If you put instead of x, if I put y, what will come? a0 plus a1y plus a2y square plus a3y cube plus so on. Last term is what? en y power n. इसे हम अज्यूम कर रहे हैं इक्वेशन 2. अब हम क्या करते हैं, इक्वेशन 2 में से इक्वेशन 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. So what will come? In left hand side we will get 1 plus y power n minus 1 plus x power n. This is left hand side. Right hand side what will come? That a0 minus a0, it is 0 plus, we can take a1 common, so what will come? a1 common, we will get y minus x plus, यहाँ पे हम a2 कॉमन ले लेंगे, this will come y square minus x square plus, here we will take a3 common, y cube minus x cube plus so on. In last term we will take en common, so if I take en common we will get y power n minus x power n. इसे हम अज्यूम कर रहे हैं इक्वेशन 3. अब हम क्या करें, इक्वेशन 3 को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं y minus x से, so what will come? 1 plus y power n minus 1 plus x power n divided by y minus x. Then right hand side will get a1 plus a2 y square minus x square divided by y minus x plus a3 y cube minus x cube divided by y minus x plus so on. Last term is what? an y power n minus x power n divided by y minus x. इसे हम अज्यूम करें इक्वेशन 4. अब हम क्या करते हैं, इक्वेशन 4 में लिमिट अप्लाई करेंगे. So what we take? In left hand side we are taking limit y is tending to x. So numerator will come out 1 plus y power n minus 1 plus x power n. Denominator is what? Y minus x. So instead of y minus x we are putting as what? 1 plus y minus 1 plus x. So difference is nothing but what? Y minus x. Now if I apply limit right hand side, so what will go? Limit y is tending to x. So in bracket a1 plus a2 y square minus x square divided by y minus x plus a3 y cube minus x cube divided by y minus x plus dot dot plus an y power n minus x power n divided by y minus x in bracket close. अब हम यहाँ पे लिमिट्स अप्लाई करेंगे. Now we know the formula that limit a tending to b a power n minus b power n divided by a minus b. This will give n times b power n minus 1. So this formula we will apply. Now left hand side what will get? Limit y tending to x 1 plus y power n minus 1 plus x power n divided by 1 plus y minus 1 plus x. So this side will get n times 1 plus x power n minus 1 equal to. Now we'll see right hand side. So first term is what? a1. So if you apply limit y tending to x a1, so you'll get a1 only plus a2 is what? Constant. If you apply limit y tending to x y square minus x square divided by y minus x, so this will give 2x plus, if you see this term, in this term a3 is what? Constant. And if you apply limit y tending to x y cube minus x cube divided by y minus x, so this will come 3 times x square plus so on. Last term what will come? an is what? Constant. And if you apply limit y tending to x y power n minus x power n divided by y minus x, so this will come n times x power n minus 1. इसे हम इक्वेशन नंबर 5. Okay. Now in this expansion we will multiply 1 plus x. So equation 5 multiply with 1 plus x. So what will come? In left hand side we will get n times 1 plus x power n. Now right hand side we will get a1 into 1 plus x plus 2 times a2 into x into 1 plus x plus a3 into 3 times x square into 1 plus x plus so on an into n times x power n minus 1 into 1 plus x. इसे हम दे रहे हैं इक्वेशन नंबर 6. अब हम क्या करें? In this equation number 1, we are multiplying n. Now we are doing equation 1 multiply with n. So what will come? In left hand side will come n times 1 plus x power n. Now right hand side will get n times a0 plus n times a1 into x plus n times a2 into x square plus n times a3 into x2 plus dot 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 plus n times an into x power n. Is under equation number 7. In equation number 6 and 7, if you see left hand side is same. तो यहाँ से बोल सकते हैं यदि left hand side same है तो right hand side should also be same. So we'll compare right hand side. So in equation number 6, constant term is a1. Then in equation number 7, constant term is what? N times a0. So a1 should be equal to n times a0. तो यहाँ से a1 की वैल्यू देगी n times a0. Similarly, in equation number 6, coefficient of x. So a1x plus 2a2 into x. So from here, coefficient of x is what? A1 plus 2 times a2. Similarly, in equation number 7, coefficient of x is what? N times a1. Similarly, in equation number 6, coefficient of x square. So what will come? 2a2, x into x is what? X square. So 2a2 plus 3a3 into x square into 1. So what will come? 3a3 equal to. In equation number 7, coefficient of x square is what? N times a2. And similarly, other term also we will compare. So if we compare, we will get a1 value is what? N times a0. So from here we can find out a2. So 2 times a2 equal to n times a1 minus a1. So a2 equal to what will come? We can take a1 common. So what will come? N minus 1 divided by 2 into a1. Now we know a1 equal to what? N times a0. So if you put a1 value, so what will come? a2 equal to n minus 1 divided by 2. a1 value is what? N times a0. So we know n into n minus 1 divided by 2. This we can write nc2 into a0. So a2 value what will come? nc2 into a0. Similarly, from this equation we can find out a3. So from here, 3 times a3 equal to n times a2 minus 2 times a2. So a3 equal to n minus 2 divided by 3 into a2. तो यहाँ पर हम a2 की वैल्यू पुट कर सकते हैं. What is a2? n minus 1 into n divided by 2 into a0. So if you put a2 value here, what will get? a3 equal to n minus 2 divided by 3. a2 value is what? N into n minus 1 divided by 2. N into n minus 1 divided by 2 into a0. Now we can put this value n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 3 into 2. This we can write as what? nc3. So a3 equal to nc3 into a0. Now a3, a2 and a1 value we can put here. So we'll get 1 plus x to the whole power n equal to a0 plus a1. So a1 is nothing but n times a0. This also we can write nc1 into a0. So a1 equal to we can write nc1 into a0. This is nothing but nc1 into a0 into x plus a2. So a2 we can write nc2 into a0. So a2 we can write nc2 into a0 into x square plus a3. a3 we can write as what? nc3 into a0. So a3 we can write nc3 into a0 into x cube plus so on. Similarly, an we can write as ncn into a0 into x power n. Now we have to find out a0. So in this equation, if you put x equal to 0, so if you put x equal to 0, in left hand side what will come? 1 power n, and right side what is remaining? a0 plus this whole term will become 0. So a0 की value क्या आएगी? 1. So if you put a0 value 1 here, So what will come? 1 plus x to the whole power n equal to 1 plus nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square plus nc3 into x cube plus so on plus ncn into x power n. This is your proof.